Okay, an introduction to 3D computer animation. Always an introduction to 3D computer animation, you start with simple object. Even if in this bootcamp also we introduced a cartoon fish direct. But understanding the timeline is very important. So this is the timeline. Timeline can be from 1 to, this is to 100. It can go up to 500. You can put here, this is 500. That means this is a time slider. I can pull the time slider up to 500. I'll type back here 100, also again here 100, and I keep my time in 100, the timeline. So in the timeline, the numbers are called frames. So when you animate, we animate in frames. So if I say I'm animating 50 frames, or I'm animating 70 frame or 100 frame, every 25 frames from 1 to 25 equals 1 second. That's a second. That's it per second from 1 to 25. Even in your film is of the seconds, the frames. This is per frames. So if I want to animate 4 seconds, that means I'll count 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25, which equals 100 frame. If I want 8 seconds, that means I type here 200 and 200. That means from 1 to 200 there are 8 seconds, and every second equals 25 frame. So here is 1 second, here 2 seconds, here is 3 seconds, here is 4 seconds, here is 5 seconds, 6 seconds, 7 seconds, and 8 seconds. So that's how we manage. So the time set just helps you to show where you are working and the ends. But so what I do is I type here the end frames. So I'll leave it 200. Now, before even I move the fish, I have to show you how do you start animation. So if this is my geometry, the first thing you do with animation is selecting on the frame where you want to start from. So I want my box to start from 30. I click at 30. 2. The second step is keying. So the shortcut for keying is S. You press S on your keyboard. The moment you see right here, already the attribute editor, that means it's keyed. The third step is moving. That's first. So if I want to move from 30 to 50 to 80, maybe I push it here. So that is 30 to 80. Again I press S. So now if I play this,